All right, guys, so we're back on that homework problem number 1, and you remember from the last video that we were finding just the molar mass. So now I'm going to show you how to take that molar mass and find the percent composition. But we have a couple guests, so if you guys are interested.
Hello!
There's Miss Fabro. She decided to come over and visit. And then that will be it for our guest content, I think. So anyway, getting back into the problem, we are going to be looking at AgNO3 right here. So to start, we remember that 169.86 or 88 was the molar mass from the last video. So now we need to take that value, which was our total mass, and use it to find the individual percent composition for each element. Okay, so Ag, all right, had a mass of 107.87. So you're going to start by taking that individual mass. So this is for Ag, 107.87. And you are going to go ahead and divide that by the total molar mass that we found. So you're going to take that, which is for Ag, you're going to divide it by 169.88. Okay. And that is going to end up giving you, when you multiply it times 100, the percent for Ag in the whole compound. So times 100%. And when I do that math, we end up getting 63.5%. So that's the percentage of silver in the compound AgNO3. Okay. And remember, always labeling is important. So basically now you're going to take the kind of math that we just did. You're going to need to use it for the same thing. So for N and for O, you're going to do the same thing. So for N, we have 14.01. So you do that. Okay, and you're going to do your units, and you are going to then divide it as well by our total, 169.88. And when you do that, you end up getting, let's see, 169.88. Okay, let me do it times 100% real quick. Okay, and as our answer, when we divide those out and multiply it, we get 8.2% nitrogen. Sorry, that looks like 82%. That should be 8.2% nitrogen. And then the last thing that you would do is you would end up also taking O3 and you would divide it. So you'd basically do the 48, which you had for O3. You're going to divide that by the 169.88. And I'm definitely skipping some steps here. Make sure you write your units, guys. I'm not writing them right here, but you should definitely write them. Times 100%, and you'll get your percent composition for O3, and that will be the last step, and then this problem will be done. So that is going to be 28.3%. And when you add everything together at the end, guys, you should also, to check your work, see if it equals 100%. If it's very close, like 99.9 or something around there, it's probably fine. So you guys will notice, okay, 28.3 plus 63.5 plus 8.2, that is going to give you 100% if you add all those up. So that's how you do percent composition. And I hope that makes some sense. And if you have questions, please email me.